Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video I will teach you secret of Photoshop. Let's start. Sometimes you may want to edit the face, eyes and mouth of picture. Start by duplicating the image layer and giving it a new name. Then convert this layer into a smart object by right clicking on it. When right click on the object, you see the options. Click on Smart Object. Next, go to Filter menu and select the Camera Raw Filter option. A screen will appear. On the right side, you will find a masking icon. Click on it and the person in the image will be automatically detected. Click on person and another screen will appear, allowing you to select the options you want to edit. In this case, I will choose all the options. Click on create button to generate separate masks for the selected options. You will see separated mask for the entire picture. Now you can edit each portion separately. First, let's focus on the hair. Select the hair and make desired edit, such as adjusting colors, light and shape. Move the options and observe the changes in the hair. Next, edit the face of the picture. Select the face and you will see the available option below. Move these options, see the result. Afterwards, select the body mask and edit the skin. Edit the skin of the body. In the picture, you can remove unwanted part or enhance the light and colors. Finally, you will see the complete result of picture, which is much better than before. These are some changes, some secrets, Photoshop tips that you may not have known before watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned, subscribe and share and comment. Thank you so much.